So now moving ahead, after learning about energy, health and water at Sustainable Urban Innovation Conclave, let's hear to Anil Kumar Shrangarya, Director Projects, National Capital Region Transport Corporation on ensuring better connectivity and sustainable urban development through effective access driven by technology. We welcome you on stage, sir.
Good afternoon. My name is Anil Shrangarya. I am Director Project in NCRTC and we are constructing the RRTS from Delhi to Meerut. Can I have my presentation please? So before starting my presentation, I would like to remind that in the morning our chief guest CS Uttar Pradesh has mentioned that urbanization is going very fast. About 50 crore population is presently in the urbanization, which is going to touch about 80 crore. So when the everybody is now thinking that the opportunities are in the urban areas, big cities are having the opportunities, and people are moving to that side because the employment is there, healthcare is there. So Government of India has thought that why should not we connect the regions so that we can slightly reduce the load of the big cities and the people may move to outside of those cities. So basically, in the Delhi, if we see, but in particular, if you are living in the Noida, you are living in the Gurgaon and nearby areas, which are very near to the Delhi, and if you are moving there, it generally takes 45 to 1 hour time wherever you want to go there. So if we can connect the regions so that the people also take 1 hour time. So if they live in the Meerut or the Modi Nagar or the Gurgaon, Sonipat, so the load of the Delhi area will reduce. Number one, pollution will reduce because a lot of vehicles are coming to Delhi. And so considering that, I will not take much time because 10 minutes have been allotted to me now. So I will go fast based on that. What we are doing that our basic motive is to reduce the pollution of the city and the decongestion of the Delhi area, which may go to the other cities also. Basic perspective is there that we want to connect the regions. The cities are connected by a metro system, and we are coming in the regional level. And the where we are go to the national level, the higher distances they are covered by the Indian Railways, airlines. Now presently the high speed line is also coming. So basically our RRTS system which we are offering is that from Delhi to Meerut it will take about one hour time. So our design speed is 180 kmph, and we are planning a system in such a way so that it can be operated in a very efficient manner through the technologies. And we are planning to have to go either the viaduct on the top or through the tunnels so that we are not taking much area on the ground. This 8 corridors have been identified for this RRTS. Presently in the phase 1, we are having 3 corridors: Delhi Meerut, Delhi Gurgaon Alwar and Delhi Panipat. This is our first phase, and Delhi Meerut is under construction. Other 2 projects are yet to be sanctioned, and very recently it will be sanctioned, probably this year. If you see, this is the Delhi Meerut corridor. We are starting from the Sarai Kale Khan to the Modipuram. We have about 25 stations are there in between, and average distance is about 7 to 8 kilometers. We are featuring that suppose we are traveling by the metro system in the city, it stops at about every kilometer because the station is there. Our stations are far away from there. So our speed is much higher than that because average speed of the metro system is about 30 kmph and our average speed will be about 100 kmph. We have taken some of the new technologies adopted in the field of the signaling. Signaling system which the metro system is adopting is having a CBTS type of the system, CBTC, and we are having the ETCS type of the system, Basically, what we are offering is that from Meerut, suppose somebody is coming there to the Sarai Kale Khan, and then the Sarai Kale Khan to Gurgaon or the Alwar side, and Sarai Kale Khan to Panipat side. So any train from the Meerut can go to the Gurgaon directly. As you are seeing in the metro system, when you are traveling from one side to other side, you have to change the system at the many stations in between, which is not here. Our train can move to the one system to the other system efficiently without changing. So ETCS level system, the European system is there, the new technology, and this system will feature us without changing the trains. We can operate, interoperability is there. Other system is there, the track system. We are laying the track which can provide us the speed of the 350 kmph also. So this is also the one of the new technology which we are adopting here, very recent one. And one other feature which we are having is that we are seeing that the people will use our system for the healthcare also. Particularly, 2-3 things are very important: healthcare, education, and reaching to the airport. So healthcare means we are providing the facility in such a way so that suppose some stretcher, the person on the stretcher coming to the hospital, they can go to the AIMS or anything through our system. We are providing the lift, etc. in such a way. We are providing the facility in the train so that even on the stretcher they can go there. Because generally we see that the people are making a green corridor when some urgency is there. So a lot of effort is made in the city to provide a green corridor which can be provided through our system very efficiently. These are some of the technical features of this. I think the interested one, maybe we are having a seating arrangement in our coaches. It's not like the metro system. The seating arrangement is very limited, but in our system the seating arrangement is there as in the aeroplanes. So basic feature which we are providing: healthcare, education, employment, and the leisure. So because you see a lot of shopping malls are there in the Delhi or in nearby area. So the regional people may also think that they are very near to those benefits. Some feature, if we see that in the employment particularly, so there may be some direct job creation, and also that the development in the Meerut area or in the nearby area, Alwar or Saijampur, like that, they are also there, because after constructing this, lot of value is coming to those areas and lot of new developments are coming. This I already told. Some of the basic technologies which we are using in our system is that we are having a project monitoring system which we have developed in our in-house. One is the speed, where we are monitoring the large projects through that system. We are having extensive use of the CCTV on our project site also, through which we are monitoring. We are having the CCTV in the station, which is the very common feature nowadays. We are having a new technology in the survey system. Basically, we have installed our core system where they are connected to the satellites. 26 satellites they are connected, and through this they are collecting the data, and instantly we can provide a survey point without having the other type of the system. Only one instrument is there through which we can give a point to the accuracy of 10 millimeter. We are using the BIM, Building Information Management System. This is we are using extensively. Generally, drawings are being created on the AutoCAD system, but this time we are doing from the BIM system. We are having a paperless of the type of the system here, common data environment, through which we are processing our all designs, everything we are doing on the common data environment. So if we see, our basic motive is there, because we have to make a sustainable system, so we need to connect through the various mode. If we are not connecting it, then our system cannot sustain. So what we are doing, wherever we are finding any metro system, any ISBT, any bus system, railway system, we are connecting through our system. Because you can see that in Anand Vihar, there is a already one ISBT. There are two metro stations are there. So we have taken our alignment in such a way that our station is also coming there. So Anand Vihar is also making a hub there. Anybody traveling through the metro system or our system or the ISBT buses, they can seamlessly go from one system to other system. We are providing such facility at Sarai Kale Khan also. Sarai Kale Khan is the Nizamuddin station, ISBT and our system. All are seamlessly connected. If you are going through a briefcase only, you can very easily go from one system to the other system without any difficulty. We are providing escalators, we are providing travelators for movement from one side to other side, so that to make it attractive, because our sustainability is also important. These are some of the features which I already told, that the Sarai Kale Khan, Anand Vihar, as you see, in one of the most attractive feature is there. Meerut is also having is the sanctioned metro system. So what we have done is, now we are having a system from the Sarai Kale Khan to Modipuram, our RRTS system. But in the Meerut area, from Meerut south, one of the station, to the Modipuram, that is about 26 kilometer. We are planning our system in such a way that we can run the metro also on the same system. That means our RRTS trains will run at 10-minute frequency, and in between, the metro train can also run in the area, which can stop at every 1 kilometer. Every kilometer they will stop, and RRTS will stop at this 7 to 8 kilometer distance. So the people of the Meerut can be accommodated through a metro system also. What we have proposed is also that there is a bus adda at the Bhansali in the Meerut area. That is the most congesting, because buses are entering into the city, they are congesting the city. So what we are planning, that we will take the bus adda outside there, outside the Meerut area, and we are providing the metro connectivity to the people, so that they can come to the Bhansali side or wherever they want to go. Now, for the sustainability part, if we see the transit-oriented development, because this is a new feature which I think many states have adopted it, but it was not in the UP. So we have proposed to the government of the UP to adopt it. Now the policy has been made by government of UP, and we are preparing the TOD framework for that. And in our this RRTS, wherever the station is there, we are proposing that the influence area of the 1.5 kilometers there, for which the additional FAR will be given to the people for the construction, because they are living very near to these stations. To implement that, to generate the revenue from there, to facilitate the government as well as to the NCRTC, some of the features government of UP has already agreed to implement there. Additional purchasable FAR will be implemented under those influence area. Some special amenity fee will also be implemented, and urban use charges, etc. They are already under implementation. Government of India has already sanctioned it. They have through their cabinet approvals, etc. And they have agreed to pay us 50% to the RRTS system and 50% to the development authorities. So this is the measures which we are taking for the sustainability of our system, as well as for the to create the revenue to the government of UP. So these are some of the features which we are taking in the TOD zone, that the additional FAR will be there. We are providing the mixed land use. While master plans are being under the implementation in the government of UP at various cities now. So under which they are providing the facility of the mixed land use, so that the peoples are also benefited and they can create more avenues for their commercial developments, etc. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mr. Ishwar Chandra Yadav from, no, that was Anil Kumar Shrangarya from National Capital Region Transport Corporation. Mr. Anil, if you can just come on stage, and I request Mr. Neelam Janaya, if you can also come on stage and kindly hand over a small token of appreciation to Mr. Anil as well. Can we have the memento on the stage? Thank you so much.